Are you tired of hearing all these fitness gurus come up with all kinds of fitness strengths that really don't deliver those achievable or sustainable goals? Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy Ace. I am a personal trainer, fitness instructor, a Spartan and health coach, and I am also a mother of two big girls, 12 and almost 18. And why I like to mention that I am a mama, because I know there's head of households, perhaps extended family members that want to impact the lives of their younger ones, and this content is for them as well. And I am here combining my expertise as a personal trainer, fitness instructor, and coach to help you get to that fitness goal and maintain it, or even start a brand new one. And in today's video, I am going to be teaching you about the components of fitness for your health and to reach that fitness goal. We not only want to look certain way, but we want to be certain way. We want to do it the right balanced way for a lifetime. I would like to start with the most basic component, the most popular one, which is your cardiovascular or cardiorespiratory endurance, what we call cardio. As we know, cardio helps us lower cholesterol, regulate our blood sugar, impacts and improves different systems in our body, like the cardiovascular, our heart, the vessels, and all of those good things. But I don't want to get too technical about what cardio does to you at different levels. But today we're talking about how it can improve our health and our fitness goals. So I want to talk a little bit more about this goal here, right? Cardio helps you burn fat. When it comes to losing weight, we don't want to focus too much on cardio. We don't want to neglect it. We don't. We really want to activate different systems in our body that is going to help us burn that fat. And that's what we do when we do cardio. This next one is usually overlooked by many of us, including myself. For years, I cared little about it. Little did I know that I was becoming very stiff, that I had developed lumps on my back that my massage therapist had to remove for me gracefully. And I am happy to say that I am a more balanced body woman, and that has to do with getting in your flexibility and mobility. Why is it so important? In my case, it was obvious, right? I was doing more of the other things and neglecting my flexibility. What is flexibility? Flexibility is the range of motion around your joints. So we want to make sure that we do it to keep our joints healthy, that we are not becoming too stiff to a point that we are not really able to mobilize properly, not only in our daily regular life, but also when we are working out. It's very important that we take care of it for our health, the health benefits that we gain by taking care of our body the proper way, by adding flexibility, adding classes like yoga, or like I do with all of my videos here. When I do my classes, I incorporate flexibility, and I take the time because I know the importance of it. But talking about the fitness goal, we want to make sure that we have the range of motion so we can really engage the whole muscle, right? So we are targeting the let's say your inner thigh, your abductors. We want to make sure that we are extending the leg to a certain point. That way we'll be able to really incorporate the whole muscle. So it is very important that we have the proper range of motion. Muscular endurance. Why is so important to do some muscular endurance activities? As far as your health, we want to make sure that we are ready for anything. Let's say you're taking the kids to a hiking trail. You're going to need the muscle endurance for quite a while. So we want to make sure that we are prepared. How do we do that? By incorporating exercises like squatting, planks, right? We gotta hold the plank for some time. We are using muscle endurance. Or when, like I mentioned, the hiking, we are, you know, climbing or hiking, we are really needing that muscle to be strong for prolonged periods of time. So it's really important to take care of that as far as your health is concerned. As far as your fitness goal, I love muscular endurance, and that is because we are activating the muscles, and the muscles are the ones responsible for burning a ton of calories. So you want to focus on weight loss, we really gotta use the muscles. There's no way around. We really need to activate them and get them to do that enduring. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about your muscle strength. That's another big one. And I love my muscle strength workouts because I am a fast twitch type 2 fiber type girl, which means that I have more of the type of muscle that loves muscle strength or muscular strength training. I love to do workouts that have to do with lifting, with pushing, with pulling. I love all of that, and that's because, like I said, my body was more designed for those type of workouts. Now, if you don't have anything to do with strength or with muscular endurance, I say, please hear me out. We need it. Health-wise, there's so many benefits. And last but not least is your body composition. And we're talking about, there you go, your bones, tissues, organs, everything, right? As a trainer, I don't focus much on everything else by your body fat. And why is that? That allows me to see how your eating habits are all about. It allows me to see how close you are to developing certain illnesses like diabetes. So it's definitely important to keep track of that, your body fat, so that way you can really take care of vital organs in your body, stay away from sickness, and of course less fat, more muscle. So we really want to make sure that we take care of that. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you subscribe, like, share this video with those that need to hear more about this. And I hope to see you next time. I love you all. Take care.